I'm Chelsea. I'm a technical support specialist here at Avenza.
And I'm Mike. I am the mobile QA lead here at Avenza.
Today we're going to talk to you about some underutilized features that we have in our app.
Today we are here to talk to you about schemas and layer management.
All right. So we do support custom attribute schemas that you can import into the app, and you can edit these to suit your workflow.
So if you go into your layers screen, you will be able to import a schema that would have been created outside of Avenza Maps. You can do these through many of our different import options, such as Dropbox, storage locations, from the web, so on and so forth. So once you have the file that you want to choose, you are able to select it and import it directly to the app. From there, we can either use it directly or edit it as we need.
So you would see just your add a new attribute, and then we have the options of Boolean, string, and integer.
So for example, we have our attribute schema here. And if you wanted to, say, add a field for this incident reporting schema to essentially determine the severity for the severity index for the incident report, then you can add a new integer attribute and then add whatever pick list values you want. Say if it's a scale of 1 to 3, you can add all that in and edit the existing attribute schema as needed.
So today we're going to talk about our geofences feature. This is fantastic if you have a designated area that you need to stay in or out of. You can set a geofence for that, and they can be set for place marks, areas, and lines.
For a pro subscriber, they can also be set on the map itself if you were to want to have a radius set on the map that you exit or enter. So to access them from whatever map you want to set the geofence on, you simply tap the Tools menu and then tap on the Moderative Geofence screen.
And then you would just tap the plus icon, and then you could choose your feature that you'd like to attach it to. So in this case, we're just going to do a simple place mark.
And then you're able to see the place mark that it is attached to. When you're editing your geofence, you're actually able to set a handful of things, such as the distance, the notification type, whether you want it to notify when you're entering, leaving, or both, as well as when you want to run the geofence only when you're viewing the map, or if you want it to run in the background as well, in which case you'll get a system notification.
So we're going to start off with our custom symbol sets. These can be accessed through the Settings tab at the Manage Symbol Sets.
So from here, you will be able to see any existing symbol sets you have. We have a couple of them pre-packaged within the app, but if you hit the plus icon here, you're actually able to import your own symbol sets as well.
So they're anywhere between storage locations, and we also have some from our Avenza Support Center. These are from our NGA symbols, and if you just tap on the here, it will begin the download for you.
And then from your downloads, you will be able to import these industry-specific symbols directly into the app itself. So you'll be able to use these symbols. And then if you have your own symbols packaged in a KMZ, for example, you can import these directly to the app as well. And then once you have your symbols, all you have to do is return to the map list, open up any map, add a place mark, and then you should be able to have any of these symbols available to you.
And then you would just scroll down, choose the symbol that you would like to use, tap on it, and then hit submit, and you're good to go.
Today we are here to talk to you about sorting and filtering in the map list and basically using folders and collections and how you can use them. So
this is a good way to stay organized, especially if you have a lot of maps. So we're going to start by tapping the filter icon. Kind of looks like an upside down file. And you can see the options. So all items, if you have maps from the map store, any imported maps, folders and collections, and active maps.
And then we're also able to sort maps as well. So if you tap the sorted drop down here, you can sort your maps by recently viewed, name, distance, date, or the amount of storage used. Both of these, especially when used in conjunction with one another, can be extremely helpful in finding the exact map that you need if, say, you had a lot of maps downloaded. And then the other thing we wanted to show is if you had a set of maps and you wanted to view them as part of a collection, you are actually able to do that. So for example, with the map I have here, the trail connects down further and we have maps for that, but we're not able to scroll to them very easily. So from within the map list, we can actually turn it into a collection.
So you could do this just by tapping the 3-dot menu beside the folder and just hit convert to collection, and then you're set to go.
Today, I'm here to talk to you about navigation. You are able to navigate to any existing placemark by tapping the navigation icon on the Edit Placemark screen. As you can see, there is a large deal of information to assist you with navigation, such as speed, course, heading, and bearing. Some of these values may take a moment to populate while we collect information from your GPS receiver. Our navigation service is as the crow flies, which means that it will navigate directly to the specified point. Depending on your preference, you're able to view the information and compass provided while navigating, or you can swipe down to view the map to get a better visual of your navigation activity. In addition to navigating to an existing place mark, you are also able to enter coordinates or project a navigation destination based off of distance if you prefer. These tools can be accessed through the Tools menu or by swiping up on the bottom toolbar. Once you reach your destination, the navigation activity will automatically cease. You can also create a route for navigation by adding several segments of a line to navigate. By doing this, you can navigate along several points in a route. You can even navigate your existing tracks in a similar manner. While navigating along a route, the same information is provided when navigating to a place mark. Additionally, however, you can press the direction button to change your navigation direction. If you ever find yourself off course, the navigation activity will direct you to the nearest point in the route. While using Avenza Maps, we offer you the ability to navigate with confidence.